My great pleasure to welcome Syntec Optic as we celebrate your listing on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol OPTX. Congratulations, everyone. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to CEO Joe Moore, as well as the management team, employees, and all of our distinguished guests. We are so excited that you all could join us right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's opening bell. Syntec Optics is one of the largest custom optics and photonics manufacturers in the United States. Operating for more than 2 decades, Syntec Optics runs a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility with extensive core capabilities of various optics manufacturing processes, both horizontally and vertically integrated, to provide a competitive advantage for OEM customers. Syntec Optics' mission is to provide a US-based scalable platform of optics and photonics manufacturing that keeps American soldiers out of harm's way, offers doctors technologically advanced tools for patient care, and delivers photonics-enabled precision to customer products and services. Joe, today is a testament to all of your and your team's hard work. Nasdaq is truly proud to partner with you, and we look forward to having you back to celebrate many more milestones. Now, please join me in welcoming your CEO to the podium for further remarks.
Thank you, Nasdaq. Very exciting time for us as a company. I started with the company 26 years ago. The business climate, manufacturing was very different back then. We've witnessed the pride in American manufacturing fade over the years. Syntec was still here, battling to stay cutting edge, to create value, to change the way the world views itself one optic at a time. Syntec Optics will be on the front lines of doing what we can to bring advanced manufacturing back. It's great to see the pride restoring. It's great to see America leading advanced manufacturing globally and creating the jobs that we deserve. From our war fighters to our emerging space markets, our hospitals to our sporting goods stores, we look forward to providing our customers, investors, and employees the results that the passion, discipline, humility, perseverance can deliver. My thank you to the Nasdaq events team. You guys make this easy, look easy. It's amazing what you're able to do. To our investors for believing in us, to the OmniLit team for facilitating this. It was a lot of work. We appreciate you guys. To the Syntec leadership team, especially Donna. It's crazy how far we've come. And last but not least, to my Syntec family. It is an honor to be in this position with you all, and I'm so looking forward to the exciting future that lies ahead of us. Thank you.